Iphiko elikhethekileki labofokisi SIU libekelwe bekube mhla ka-31 ngoNtaka umnyaka ozayo ukuqedelela amaphenyo bese liletha umbiko ozeleko.
This investigation, supported by yourself and proclaimed by the President, has actually led us to uncover criminal and corrupt methods used by those who infiltrate the system.
Nakusenjalo uMbalula uveze kancazana elinye lamabanga SIU eselilikhambile emaphenyweni wayo bekube nje malungana nomnyango wezokuthutha.
Through the work of the SIU, the following milestones were achieved. 99 acknowledgement of debt documents signed to the value of 45,721,308 rand 75 cents, with the actual value of cash recovered through this process.
I-Road Traffic and Management Corporation ithi emacaleni angaphezulu kayi-820 aphenywako ngobulelesi obuhlukahlukeneko sekubotshwa abantu abayi-116 bekube nje. I-RTMC beyihlanganyele noNgqongqotjhe uMbalula kwenye ne-SIU nabaphendula imibiko indaba namhlanje ePitori.
These 116 of the people that have been arrested excludes the number that we had of the 7 that were arrested in Mpumalanga 3 weeks ago for the fraudulent amount of 60 million in terms of the Mpumalanga DLTCs.
Bakhulume nangeminye imizamo ehlukahlukeneko kunye neragelo phambili kulweni nobukhohlakali ngaphakathi komnyango wezokuthutha.